Good evening, guys. Dear students, welcome in my class. This is the class for class 12th. Dear students, yesterday we were discussing the topic the classification of alcohol. So today we discuss the next topic, that is the nomenclature of alcohol and isomerism in alcohol, and also what is the preparation process of alcohols. So at first, before the starting class, I want to say the something to you. Students, you know that if you believe yourself, then you do everything. It means जो अपने कदमों की काबिलियत पर विश्वास रखते हैं, जो अपने कदमों की काबिलियत पर विश्वास रखते हैं, वो अक्सर ही अपने मंजिल को पार करते हैं। वो अक्सर ही अपने मंजिल को पार करते हैं। इट मीन्स अगर आपको अपनी काबिलियत पर, अपने ऊपर विश्वास है, तो दुनिया का कोई ऐसा काम नहीं है जो आप कर नहीं सकते हो। इट इज इम्पॉसिबल। कोई चीज इम्पॉसिबल इज नथिंग वर्ड, कोई वर्ड नहीं है। इफ यू हैव कॉन्फिडेंस देन यू डू एवरीथिंग। ठीक, नाउ स्टार्ट द क्लास। स्टूडेंट्स, yesterday we were discussing the topic, that is classification of alcohol. Maybe all of you understand all these classification. If all of you have any doubt, then you ask in the comment box. Okay, so now we discuss the next topic, that is nomenclature of alcohols. Nomenclature of alcohols. Dear students, you know that alcohol means the compound which contain the hydroxyl group. हाइड्रोक्सिल मीन्स OH, यानी अल्कोहल्स वे कंपाउंड्स होते हैं जो हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप क्या करते हैं, कंटेन करते हैं। अंडरस्टैंड? यू नो दैट maybe all of you know that what is the nomenclature process, what is the rules and regulations of nomenclature, but I want to explain this. The nomenclature of alcohols means how we write the IUPAC nomenclature of the compounds. You know that generally for the nomenclature there are two words, that one is prefix and the second is suffix. Prefix means जो compound में nomenclature में पहले words लिखे जाते हैं, these are known as the prefix, और जो बाद में लिखे जाते हैं these are known as suffix. So generally suffix are related to the functional group. For the alcohol we use the suffix, that is ol, OL. This is the suffix for alcohols. So if we want to write the name of alcohols, then at first we write the name according to the carbon. Just like you know that the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All these. The first carbon, that is meth. Second carbon, that is eth. Third, that is prop. Fourth is but. This is pent. This is hex. This is hept. This is oct. This is non, and this is dec. And after this, unidec, didec, tridec, tetradec. These are the prefix. Just like the carbon 1, we write the methane, ethane, propane like this. 1 carbon methane, 2 carbon ethane, 3 carbon propane, 4 carbon butane. If suppose that there the any carbon, then we write the general name, that is alkane. For the nomenclature of alcohols, we remove the E from alkane, means this is the alkane. We remove the E, and after removing the E, we use the suffix ol. So we write that ALKANOL, that is alkanol. Just like 1 carbon methane, you write like this, methane, METHANE. Remove this E, means we remove E and after this we add the all, so we write that methanol like this, methanol. Okay, suppose that there are the 6 carbon, so at first we write the first 6 carbon hex, then write hexane and removing e and add the oh, then we find that that is hexanol. So this is the rule for nomenclature of alcohols, understand? Now we write, how we write the names of alcohols. This is the basic concept. Suppose that dear students, the compound we write here CH3OH. This the OH, it means this is alcohol because this contain the hydroxyl group. How many carbon are there? 1. So for 1 carbon we write the methane. Removing E we add the ol. So the name of this compound that is methanol. Understand? Suppose that we write the next compound that is the CH3 CH2OH. How many carbon are there? 1, 2. For 2 carbon we write eth. Ethane. E remove and add the ol. So ethanol. After this, suppose that we write the next compound like this. Dear students, suppose that this is the CH3 CH2 CH CH3 and here we write the OH. This is also alcohol because this contain the hydroxyl group. Okay, so how we write the name of this compound? You know that if the chain is long, then at first we choose the parent chain. अगर चेन लॉन्ग हो जाती है तो हम सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? पेरेंट चेन चूज करते हैं. पेरेंट चेन, what the parent chain? Actually parent chain means the chain which contain the more number of carbon and also contain the functional group. पेरेंट चेन वह चेन होती है जो सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन एलिमेंट्स को कंटेन करती है और साथ ही साथ ग्रुप कंटेनिंग भी हो, मींस ग्रुप उसमें हो और लॉन्गेस्ट भी हो. तो इसमें देखिए एक ही कार्बन की चेन है. सेकेंड थिंग we count the carbon. Second thing, we count the carbon from those end which has the near the functional group. इस साइड से देखिए 1 2 3 थर्ड पोजीशन पे आपका OH है, बट फ्रॉम दिस साइड सेकंड पोजीशन कंटेन द OH. इस साइड से सेकंड नंबर कार्बन पर OH है और इस साइड से किस नंबर पे है? थर्ड नंबर पे है. सो वी काउंट फ्रॉम दोज एंड व्हिच आर द नियर. सो वी स्टार्ट द काउंटिंग फ्रॉम हियर 1. So this is the 2, 3 and 4. How many carbon are there? 4. For 4 we use the butane. We remove E and dash. Which number OH? 2. And for OH we use the suffix that is ol. So the name of this compound that is butane 2-ol. Understand? Now we write the next compound. Or I will try to understand. Suppose that the next compound that is CH2OH, single bond CHOH and single bond CH2OH. This is, dear students, here all the carbon has the 4 valency 2 and 3 and 1 4. 1 2 3 and 4. 2 3 and 4. All these 4. Listen. If we start counting from this side, this contain the first carbon. It is also the first carbon. So we start from anywhere. Suppose that we start from this side 1 2 3. We start from this side also because both have the same conditions. So dear students, you know that there the 3 carbons are there. For 3 carbon we write propane and after this we remove the E. And which number OH? 1 number, 2 number and 3 number. So we write the 1, 2 and 3 because 1 number also contain hydroxyl group, second number also contain and third number also. So write the 1 2 3. How many times? 1 2 3. 3 times. So we write here the tri. Here the 3 times OH, so we write the 3. Second di. 3 times tri. 4 times tetra. 5 times penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nonta. So how many times? 3 times. So we write the tri, and for OH we write the ol. So the name of this compound, that is propane 1,2,3 triol. Understand? Dear students, now we write the next compound here. Suppose that this is structure of benzene. Here the double bond, here the double bond, and here the double bond. This is the benzene. If we write the here OH, this is phenol. You know that this is the structure of phenol. Today we are discussing. Suppose that here we write CH3. This is. Dear students, if the OH group any place, then we start the counting from where the OH start. It means we start the counting always at the place where the OH. So OH is this position. So we start counting from here. This is the carbon number 1. If we move this side, then the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth position पे है. But इस side से चलेंगे तो this is second position. तो इधर से आपका नजदीक, so count this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2 number contains CH3. So we write the 2 for CH3. We write the methyl. अगर किसी भी में CH3 हो तो इसके लिए हम वर्ड क्या यूज करते हैं? मिथाइल. C2H5 हो, that is ethyl, and C3H7, that is propyl, like this. So here the second number contains the CH3, so we write the 2-methyl, and after this, listen, this is the phenol, so 2-methyl phenol. This is the name of the compound. This name of the compound, that is 2-methyl phenyl. This is the 2-methyl and phenol. But you know that the second name of this compound, that is this position, is known as the ortho. Listen, in the benzene ring there are the 3 positions, that is the ortho, meta and para. So this condition is known as the ortho condition. So we write the name of this compound, that is orthomethyl phenol. This is also name of this compound. The name of the compound 2-methyl phenol, and the second name, that is this the ortho position, so this is known as the orthomethyl phenol. And you know that this is the ortho condition. The next name, that is orthocresol. So the name of this compound 3, that one is the 2-methyl phenol, second is orthomethyl phenol, and the second is this is orthocresol. Okay. Suppose that we write the next compound. Listen, in the same condition, this is the benzene ring. Here the double bond, here and here. This is the benzene. Here the OH. And suppose that we write the CH3 at this position. We start from here. This is the carbon number 1. This is the carbon number 2. This is the carbon number 3. This is the carbon number 4. This is the carbon number 5. And this is the carbon number 6, dear students. So at first we write, this is the 3 position, so we write the 3-methyl phenol. This is the first name, that is 3-methyl phenol. And on the basis of this, you know that this is the ortho condition and this is meta condition. So we name write this. This is meta methyl phenol. And if we write this, this is which condition? Meta. So this is metacresol. So that this compound also named, that is the 3-methyl phenol, and meta-methyl phenol are the metacresol. Suppose that we write the same compound like this here. Suppose that we write the CH3 at this position. Means we write the CH3 at this position here. Dear students, we start 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Both sides contain the 4. So we start from this side or this side. आप दोनों साइड से काउंट कर सकते हैं. So this is the which carbon? 4 number carbon. So the name, that is 4-methyl. 4-methyl. How many carbon are there? 4-methyl. And this ring is the benzene and OH means phenol. So 4-methyl phenol. And know that this is the ortho condition, this is meta condition, and this is para condition. So the name of this is para methyl phenol. This is the second name, and this is the para condition. So the name of the compound, that is paracresol. So dear students, this is the general nomenclature of compounds of alcohols. Dear students, if you have any confusion, then you write in comments marks, and also you try to write the IUPAC name which is given in your text book. Okay. So dear students, now we discuss the next topic related to this chapter, that is isomerism in alcohols. Isomerism in alcohols. Listen carefully. Isomerism in alcohols. Dear students, you know that isomerism is the phenomenon in which there are the same molecular formula which have the different structural or spherical formulas. It means आइसोमेरिज्म एक ऐसी फिनोमिनन है जिसमें एक मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला से डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर के फॉर्मूलाज राइट किए जाएं, और जो डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर के फॉर्मूला राइट किए जाएंगे उन फॉर्मूलाज के कंपाउंड को हम आइसोमर्स कहते हैं। और इस राइट करने की या इसको रिप्रेजेंट करने की जो प्रोसेस या फिनोमिनन होती है, दैट इज द आइसोमेरिज्म। Isomerism means those compounds which have the same molecular formula but different structural formula. These are the isomers, and the phenomenon is known as the isomerism. So isomerism in alcohols means in 11th class you have generally known that there are different type of isomerism. That one is the structural isomerism and the second is stereoisomerism. That one is structural isomerism and the second is stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism further divided in 5 categories, that is chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional group isomerism, metamerism and tautomerism. These are the classification of structural isomerism. And stereoisomerism are two types, that one is the geometrical isomerism and the second is optical isomerism. 11th क्लास में आपने इसको स्टडी किया होगा कि isomerism are two types, that one is the structural isomerism and second is stereoisomerism. Further, structural isomerism divided in 5 categories, that one is the chain, second is position, third is functional group and fourth is metamerism, fifth is tautomerism, tautomerism, and stereoisomer divided in 2 categories, that one is the geometrical and the second is optical. Understand? But among all these, which type isomerism is shown by the alcohols? टोटल इतने टाइप्स के आइसोमेरिज्म होते हैं, बट इनमें से कौन कौन से टाइप्स के आइसोमेरिज्म अल्कोहल्स रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, हमको इस चैप्टर में वो स्टडी करना है. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू मे बी नो दैट isomerism are two types, that one is the structural and second is stereo. Structural isomers are 5 types, that one is the chain, position, functional group, metamerism and tautomerism. And stereoisomerism are 2 types, that one is the geometrical and the second is optical. Understand? But among all these, means 5 and 2 7, among all 7s, which isomerism is shown by the alcohols? Now we discuss. All of you listen carefully. Dear students, actually alcohols generally represents the following type of isomerism. That first is chain isomers. Chain isomers. अल्कोहल जो फर्स्ट टाइप के आइसोमर्स रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं वो कौन सा होता है? चेन. अब आपने 11th क्लास में पढ़ा होगा कि चेन होता क्या है. चेन मीन्स अगर कार्बन की लेंथ में चेन हो, जैसे सपोज दैट फर्स्ट कंपाउंड ऐसा है जिसमें चेन में 4 कार्बन है। अगर सेकेंड कंपाउंड में कार्बन की लेंथ छोटी हो जाए, मीन्स 5 से 4 हो जाए, तो मीन्स अगर कार्बन की लेंथ में अगर चेंजिंग होती है तो दिस टाइप आइसोमेरिज्म इज नोन एज द चेन आइसोमेरिज्म। जैसे सपोज दैट हम आपको एग्जांपल दें, हमने कहा कि अगर चेन की लेंथ में चेंजिंग होती है तो दैट इज चेन आइसोमेरिज्म। सपोज दैट हमने कंपाउंड लिखा CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH। देखिए 1 2 3 4 कार्बन है, सो नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड दैट इज ब्यूटेन। ई को हटा करके इसके लिए क्या लगाएंगे, ऑल, ब्यूटेनॉल। अगर आप काउंटिंग लिखना चाहते हैं तो ये किस पोजीशन पे है, फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे है, सो ब्यूटेन 1 ऑल। ब्यूटेनॉल भी आप राइट कर सकते हैं, ब्यूटेन 1 ऑल। इस देखिए स्ट्रेट लाइन में नंबर ऑफ कार्बन कितने हैं, 4 है। अब अगर इसकी लेंथ चेंज हो जाए, लेंथ मीन सपोज दैट हम इसी कंपाउंड को ऐसा लिख दें कि CH3 CH2 CH CH2OH और यहां पर हम लगा दें CH3। देखिए टोटल कार्बन यहाँ कितने थे, 1 2 3 4, टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्बन 4। हाइड्रोजन कितने हैं, 3 2 5 2 7 2 9 एंड 1 10। एंड ऑक्सीजन कितना, 1 दिस। एंड दिस का देखिए 1 2 3 4 5, सॉरी 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 like this we write, suppose that we write this compound like this is the CH3, this also 1 2 3 and 4, how many carbon, 4, and hydrogen 3 3 6 and 1 7 7 2 9 9 and 1 10, and oxygen is 1. So both compound, this compound and this compound both have the same molecular formula, यानी इसका भी मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला C4H12 है, इसका भी मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला C4H10O है। बट आप देख क्या रहे होंगे कि इसके स्ट्रेट लाइन में नंबर ऑफ कार्बन कितने, 4, और इसके स्ट्रेट लाइन में नंबर ऑफ कार्बन कितने हो गए, 3। मींस कार्बन की लेंथ चेंज हो गई। तो अगर कार्बन की लेंथ चेंज होगी तो वहां पर कौन सा आइसोमेरिज्म होगा, चेन आइसोमेरिज्म। सो जनरली अल्कोहल्स रिप्रेजेंट द चेन आइसोमर्स, अंडरस्टैंड। एंड द सेकंड आइसोमर्स shown by the alcohols, that is the second, that is position isomerism, पोजीशन आइसोमेरिज्म। सेकेंड टाइप का जो अल्कोहल्स रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं वो पोजीशन आइसोमेरिज्म रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। पोजीशन मींस द पोजीशन ऑफ कार्बन हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप विल बी चेंज, जस्ट लाइक वी राइट CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH, this is the compound 1 2 3 4, there are 4 carbon, how many hydrogen, 3 2 5 2 7 2 9 and 1 10, and oxygen that is 1. We write the next compound, that is CH3 CH2 CH CH3, here we write OH. All of you look here, 1 2 3 4, how many carbon are there, 4, 3 2 5 1 6 3 9 and 1 10, and how many oxygen, 1. Means both compound, these are two compounds had the same molecular formula, but what is the difference, here the number of carbon 4 in chain and here also the number of carbon in chain 4. इसमें भी चेन में कितने कार्बन, 4, इसमें भी कार्बन कितने, 4, तो चेन की लेंथ तो चेंज नहीं हुई। मीन्स उसमें भी 4 कार्बन, सेकंड में 4 कार्बन है, तो लेंथ में कोई चेंजिंग नहीं हुई। अब हो क्या रहा है, पोजीशन ऑफ हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप चेंज। यहां पर पोजीशन किस पे, फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे है, इसमें किस पोजीशन पे हो गया, सेकंड पोजीशन पे हो गया। सो द पोजीशन ऑफ हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप इज चेंज, सो दिस इज द पोजीशन आइसोमर्स and this phenomenon is known as the position isomerism. So अल्कोहल्स कौन कौन रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, सबसे पहला रिप्रेजेंट करता है चेन, दूसरा कौन सा किया, पोजीशन, अब थर्ड समझिए, इज क्लियर। The third isomerism shown by the alcohol, that is functional group, functional group isomerism, this is the third। So third isomer is shown by the functional group. फंक्शनल ग्रुप आप जानते होंगे कि ऐसे कंपाउंड्स जिनके मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला तो सेम हो बट फंक्शनल ग्रुप चेंज हो, मींस चेन में नंबर ऑफ कार्बन सेम है, मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला सेम हो, सब कुछ एवरीथिंग इज सेम, बट द फंक्शनल ग्रुप विल चेंज, यानी जिसका फंक्शनल ग्रुप क्या हो जाए, चेंज हो जाए. सपोज दैट वी राइट हियर द CH3 CH2OH. देखिए 1 2, हाउ मेनी कार्बन आर देयर, 2, and 3 2 5 and 1 6, and how many oxygen, this. Okay, and we write the second, that is CH3O CH3. Look here, how many carbon, 1 2, and 3 and 3 6, and how many oxygen, 1. Means both compound has the same molecular formula and same number of carbon in a chain. All things same, means इसमें ना तो आपकी पोजीशन हो सकती है क्योंकि इसमें OH, इसमें OH है ही नहीं तो पोजीशन हो नहीं सकता, पोजीशन में सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप होने चाहिए. चेन आइसोमेरिज्म नहीं हो सकती है क्योंकि चेन में यहां पर भी टू कार्बन है, यहां भी टू कार्बन है, चेन भी छोटी बड़ी नहीं हुई तो चेन आइसोमर्स भी नहीं हो सकते हैं. अब सेकंड थर्ड क्या बचा, फंक्शनल ग्रुप. यहां पर देखिए कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप है, हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप है, और यहां पर कौन सा ग्रुप है, O मींस ईथर. यहां पर क्या है, हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप, दिस इज हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप. तो दोनों में फंक्शनल ग्रुप चेंज हो गया. तो जब फंक्शनल ग्रुप सब कुछ सेम हो, मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला दोनों का सेम है, चेन सेम है, बट डिफरेंट क्या है, फंक्शनल ग्रुप चेंज है. तो अगर फंक्शनल ग्रुप चेंज हो तो दैट इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप आइसोमेरिज्म. एंड थर्ड आइसोमेरिज्म शोन बाय द alcohols, that is optical isomerism. Optical. So dear students, there are the four types of isomerism shown by the alcohols. That one is the chain isomers, second is the position isomers, third is the functional group isomers, and fourth is the optical isomers. So generally in competition and also your examination asks that which type isomers shown by the alcohols. So these four isomers shown by the alcohols, that is the chain, position, functional group, and optical isomers. Okay, dear students, this is the general nomenclature of alcohols and also isomerism in alcohols. And today we are discussing the topic, that is what is the classification of alcohols. So dear students, you will revise all these topics. If you have any problem, you write in comment box, I will give your proper answer, but you will read and see all these video carefully, and also subscribe my channel, also like and also comments, means you feel what type, then I if needs that there are some improvements, and if you have any problems you write in the comments box, and also in the textbook there the different compounds are given, so all of you write the IUPAC name of all these alcohols. Okay, bye.